What's up? So, we're getting dang close here. I got my last... Oh, you can't see that. Okay, well, I'm gonna close this. Okay. I got my last coat on this side, as well as my last coat on this side. So that is drying right now. I think I'm gonna start hanging up my plastic so I can block off. I'm gonna block off this side of the shop, just so we don't get any overspray on anything. So yeah, that's where we're at. Hoping to get primer on tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, it's the next day. I've got the car warming up. I'm gonna throw wheels on it real quick, and then we're just gonna go spray it off because it's filthy. Riding doorless, so. Oopsies. Damn it. So I was never going to put this back on, but yeah. It's so dusty. I don't want to sit in it. Ah.
see how this goes.
There's so much dust. Oh. Legitimate, kind of scary. Back in the shop, I guess. Been procrastinating slightly. Okay, let's get this thing in the shop. All right, so fender and doors on. To be fair, I thought they were much cleaner when I bought them, but kind of rough. So then I'm putting an RS bumper on a non-RS model. So the bumper's kind of a pain to mount up unless you have that bumper beam. And they're pretty easy to pull off, so I could have rigged another way to put the bumper on, but since I have this, I just pulled the bumper beam off. It's two 17s on each side, and then it comes out. Same, obviously the same to install it. So we'll throw the bumper beam on and the bumper and see what it looks like. Hopefully decent. It'll be fine. All right, well, starting to look like a car again. Should be able to spray it all one color here pretty soon. Got to get that fixed. I think I'm just going to try and heat this up and then, I don't know, patch it somehow. But I got the